What about hair transplants for beards? In many situations, men do have beards, and as you can see here, he does have his beard here, but in some cases, men feel that they want a thicker beard, and if they're lacking hairs in certain areas, we can take follicular unit extractions or follicular unit excisions from the back, take out fine hair follicles, and we can actually transplant into certain areas of the beard to define the beard a little bit more. So even in patients that can't grow a beard and want to have a full beard, it can be done, and we can kind of recreate a beard pattern in the shape of a normal beard. The procedure for a beard hair transplant is similar to a follicular unit extraction or other hair transplant procedure, where we take individual hair follicles from the back of the scalp using a FUE or follicular unit excision procedure, and we take those individual hair follicles and place them into the beard in an appropriate density and aesthetic manner to give a beard that the patient is comfortable and going to be happy with.